Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a review on the Huda Beauty New Nude palette. Wow, it's a tongue twister, right? So I actually picked it up at the Sephora sale that just passed this weekend for me, for the VIB. In case you saw that video, me messing that up. It's the VIB sale. You want to say VIB, don't you? I picked it up, great sales, so obviously I picked up some things that I wanted to try out, and it was hard to wait because when this palette came out I kind of really wanted it back then, but I had to be patient. Patience is virtue, and obviously you save money, so I was patient. I waited patiently. And in case you didn't know, the word of the day is patient. I also picked up some goodies that are right behind me. Not this one. Yeah, this one right here. That was from Points. It's Bare Minerals. Very nice. This one over here is, I believe, the Aqua Bomb moisturizer. Oh, I love that moisturizer. And it smells delicious. And it works so great on my skin. So, and I had to have it. It also came, oh no, this side, duh. It also came with the eye cream, which is great. I actually have the little mini ones of that, so I was like, let's try it out. Now, my face is completely done. I'm just going to focus on doing an eye look with this palette. Oh, I haven't even shown you the palette. Like, you haven't seen it if you're a true makeup person. You have seen this beauty right here. She's so pretty. Let's open her up. Let's take a look at her. Okay. As soon as I get her in position. There we have. Oh my God. Is she not beautiful? White. There we go. She's so pretty. Look at those colors, those shimmers. I have no idea what I'm going to do today, but I'm definitely going to be using some beautiful mauves and pinks because they're calling me. They're calling me, and I haven't done a look with mauves and pinks in a good minute. So on my face, I used it's going to be a Huda day. I used the Huda foundation. This one is in Butter Pecan. It's a little darker than just a little darker than my actual natural color. But this was back in the day. I've had this for a very long time. This was back in the day when I wasn't very good at picking, and I didn't have a Sephora near me, so couldn't test it out. So I have that. I also got in the sale the Huda. Really? I'm sorry, man. So sorry. Huda Beauty. This is the concealer, and I got Nugget. Yeah, I got Nugget. Works pretty good. I actually like it. I use it with my LA Girl, reach over here, LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in Peach because I have terrible dark circles. If you haven't seen my other videos, go take a look because I can't believe I bared it all. I also picked up the Milk Kush Mascara. This is the mini, okay, because I was like, let me try it out. This is so heavy. Like, this is super heavy. Like, this feels like a huge bullet. It's that heavy. It's heavy. I couldn't believe how heavy it was. But this is a brush. Yeah, everybody wants to smell it. Does it smell like anything? But no, it doesn't smell like nothing. So I'm going to try that out today and see how that works. Oh, I forgot to mention the scent on this. It smells nice. I'm not going to lie. And the scent stays for a little while, but then it kicks away and it relaxes, and I don't smell it no more. It took about 5 minutes. But this reminds me of my grandmother. Mine's dirty. How mean. I'm so sorry. I'll get that little stain right off. Okay. She's good as new. But this smells like my grandmother. Something my grandmother used to wear. I can't remember the name of it. But I actually like it. The scent is nice. So here we go. We're gonna get started. I did do a nice tutorial on how I do my eyebrows with pencil, pomade, gel, and powder. So stay tuned because that's coming right after this one. Not right after, like, you know, I post in the mirror. You know what I mean, right? A little later. A little later. But it's coming. So stay tuned for that. And I'm also going to do a tutorial on liner. So please pray for me because liner is one of those things that is like, are they going to be twins or they're just going to be like sisters from another mother father type thing? I don't know. But let's hope that I get it right for this tutorial. If not, there's going to be a lot of cleaning up and I'm hoping not. I'm hoping not because then I'm going to have to do it on a bare with no shadows, no nothing type of eyes. So then if I have to clean up 500 times and retry, no, it shouldn't be that bad. I'm not that bad. Am I? Just kidding. All right, let's get started. Let's go and dip into this. I've talked enough. So this completes my look. I hope you guys like what I created with the new nude Huda Beauty palette. My thoughts on this palette is it's gorgeous when you see it. When you use the colors, the fallout is not that much. I thought it was going to be worse, but it's actually not that much. I mean, you can see I hardly used much of the colors. You know, like it's not dug in there or it's like a big old mess around. So that's great. The beautiful pearl type, I don't know what to call them, but they're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. They worked. So the few colors that I did use worked perfectly. I have no complaints about that. This is definitely a beauty. If you have not picked it up, if you do like her brand and it's something like you like the desert that she made, which I have too, and I like it. For me, that one has a little more fallout than this one. But that was this palette, because remember, all palettes are all different. So sometimes you might dig into something and it's just crazy, and then you'll see somebody else have no problems with it. So it can do with a lot of to do with the packaging and how it's processed and stuff like that. But overall, I liked it. I'm glad I bought it. I can't wait to do different looks with it. So stay tuned for that. If you want to see like different looks that I've done throughout the years, my Instagram is full of many different looks and many little videos. I just started to finally push myself to do the YouTube videos, which I'm kind of happy I did. I'm enjoying it. It's a lot of work, but I'm definitely enjoying it. Oh, let me talk about the Milk Mascara. My little bullet. Heavy little bullet. It wasn't bad. It was pretty good. It's a bit much product on the brush when you pull it out, but I feel if you get rid of that bit of excess, it works pretty good. It definitely brought my lashes out more. Obviously, Miss Lily Lashes in Miami brought them out even more. These are not mine. They're store-bought. No, I'm kidding. But overall, it worked great. I paired it up with a Wet n Wild lipstick. This is Rebel Rose. Beautiful favorite color that I've used for the longest time. So I grabbed her again. I would have loved to use a Huda Beauty lipstick, but unfortunately, I do not have any colors that match the look. So I went with this one, which I think paired up pretty good. What do you guys think? Overall, also the Huda Beauty foundation. This is very high coverage foundation. I forgot the word. High coverage foundation. So if you want to cover everything, all the imperfections, all that good stuff, then definitely go for it. It covered up most of mine. Wait, I still see my face. It didn't do good. No, just kidding. But it's pretty good. You could lightly start with it if you want it a little lighter. Overall, I feel like if I'm doing makeup looks, this is really great because in pictures, you're going to look even more flawless, which we all strive for that, don't we? I think I covered everything that I have wanted to talk about. Please don't forget to see my other videos. I'm going to have, like I said, an eyebrow tutorial and a liner tutorial. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Please, if you like my goofiness, my dumbness, and my overall looks that I create, by all means, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and don't forget to share, tell people about me. That'd be great. I wouldn't mind. I'm not gonna get mad at you, if you want to share the love. But yeah, any ideas you have, there are videos you want to see, go ahead and comment below. I do have a list of list of videos that I want to go ahead and upload. So, but if you have ideas, by all means, boom, drop them below. I would love to hear them. That's it. I hope you all have a great day, and thank you for watching, and until next time.